Well, we're here at the top of Grenada on a car tour with Izzy and Dwayne, Denise, and Andrea. Saw the monkeys here. We're up at Rainforest Reserve at the top of Grenada. It's let's see, Monday the 2nd of May, and paid for a car tour today. And yeah, life's good. Just wanted to show you a tour around. We're at about 1,900 feet, the highest point of Grenada. There's a nature reserve here, and there's monkeys, and yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a rainforest, so don't know what else to say other than life's good and feeling healthy. Would have been quite a walk to get up here, but again, we're on a car tour in Grenada. What else would you like to see? The manor house up there. Like I said, saw some monkeys. I don't know if the breeze is kicking up, but one more view of the rainforest. Loved all. Bye.